Guten Tag. Welcome to another simple German conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll follow a friendly and realistic exchange at the airport check-in counter. Watch till the end, where we'll break down the useful vocabulary with real examples from the dialogue. Let's get started.
Guten Tag. Ist das der Check-in für Lufthansa? Good day. Is this the check-in for Lufthansa?
Guten Tag. Ja, genau. Ihr Flug nach Berlin? Good day. Yes, exactly. Your flight to Berlin.
Ja, ich möchte einchecken. Yes, I'd like to check in.
Gerne. Ihren Reisepass und das Ticket, bitte. Sure, your passport and ticket, please.
Ja, bitte. Here you go.
Haben Sie Gepäck zum Aufgeben? Do you have any luggage to check in?
Ja, ein Koffer. Yes, one suitcase.
Stellen Sie den Koffer bitte aufs Band. Please place the suitcase on the belt.
Alles klar. All right.
Bestens. Hier ist Ihre Bordkarte. All set. Here is your boarding pass.
Wo finde ich mein Gate? Where can I find my gate?
Sie fliegen von Gate A12. Immer geradeaus und dann links. You're flying from Gate A12. Straight ahead and then left.
Muss ich durch die Sicherheitskontrolle? Do I need to go through security?
Ja, gleich hinter der Passkontrolle. Yes, just after passport control.
Wie lange dauert das Boarding? How long does boarding take?
Etwa 30 Minuten. Boarding beginnt 10:15 Uhr. About 30 minutes. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Fact. Danke. Perfect. Thank you.
Guten Flug nach Berlin. Have a good flight to Berlin.
Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Great job! You just got through a simple German conversation. Now, let's take a look at some of the useful words you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go! Nouns.
Der Check-in.
Check-in.
Der Reisepass.
Passport.
Das Ticket.
Ticket.
Das Gepäck.
Luggage.
Der Koffer.
Suitcase.
Die Bordkarte.
Boarding pass.
Das Gate.
Gate.
Die Sicherheitskontrolle.
Security check.
Die Passkontrolle.
Passport control. Verbs.
Einchecken.
To check in.
Haben.
To have.
Stellen.
To place.
Finden.
To find.
Dauern.
To take time.
Beginnen.
To begin. Prepositions.
Auf.
On.
Inter.
After. Great job! You've just learned how to navigate a simple German conversation at the airport. Don't forget to review the key vocabulary and listen to the dialogue again for better fluency. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Guten Tag!